For some time now, we never did touch this topic because the investigation is ongoing. Even prior ng last na press conference namin. But because we have already based our findings sa facts na nakuha ng mga investigators namin on the ground. That's why we were able to obtain the CCTV footages ng pag-alis ni Senator Bato de la Rosa together with Senator Robin Padilla and a female security officer who is a female security officer. Kitang-kita naman po doon sa ano. We have already identified and we've sent the subpoenas already. Then backtracking that we have conducted, it was seen sa CCTV footage that we have gathered that when the Senator Bato de la Rosa and company left the Senate premises, it was not a mere hitch ride. A backup vehicle was waiting outside of the Senate premises. It is a pick-up. We have identified yung mga the owner and the driver of that supposed vehicle, and the investigation is ongoing. There are other details, ma'am, that I cannot reveal right now because there are other people, personalities who are involved, and we will be continuing the investigation. We will be updating you as soon as our evidences are already collected. What I can only say is that we will be preparing the case for evaluation by the Department of Justice for obstruction of justice.
Sabi niyo na-identify niyo na po. Pwede bang malaman kung ito ay police officer or ano pong pwede mapagkakan na
Description?
Description.
You can see her doon sa CCTV footage nung habang I think even the press that assigned in the Senate usually sees her na kasama, and she's the one na may nakasuot ng bulletproof vest doon. She was a former AAP personnel, and yeah, but you know, the AAP hindi ko but yung background niya lang, we are asking about the background, and foreign service officer po siya dati from the AFP. Ang employment niya, pumunta po sa Department of Foreign Affairs as a foreign service officer. Later on, naging security officer and staff ni Senator Robin Padilla.
Sir, yung tungkol naman po dun sa backup car, ilan po ang laman at identified din na rin ba? Yung bang backup car na sinasabi po ay present?
Yes, the backup car is a pickup vehicle. The number of occupants is operationally I cannot reveal. But all throughout ng pag-traverse nila papunta doon sa mga destination, backup po ito.
Bukod kay Senator Robin Padilla, ilan pa ang inirekomenda nyo sampahan ng obstruction?
More or less mga 6.
Kasama si Senator?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Including the owner of the vehicle.